Let's create a Notion portfolio for your work, right inside Notion. I'm in Notion now, and I'll start by clicking New Page in the left sidebar. That opens a blank page with Untitled in the title field, so click there and type Maya Chen, Product Design Portfolio. Then click below the title. Now hover just under the title and click Add Cover. I don't use a busy photo here because the cover is the first thing a client sees. Choose Change Cover, pick Unsplash from the top of the panel, and search for Neutral. Click one of the clean blur images and it drops in behind the title. Hover the title again and click Add Icon. Pick the Sparkles icon, and it appears to the left of the title. Click below the cover and type a slash, then pick Heading 2 from the block menu. Type Selected Work. I use Heading 2 instead of Heading 1 here because the page title already acts as the top heading. Press Enter to drop back to normal text and type a one-line intro. I'd write Product Design Case Studies in Visual Systems, current as of this year. Press Enter, type /Gallery, and choose Gallery View. The gallery appears with an empty card ready. Now I'll add a type property before filling the gallery because it is much easier to filter later if the property already exists. Click Add a Property at the top of the gallery, type Type, and choose Select. Select forces consistent tags. The text field would eventually give you Case Study, and Case Studies all as separate filters, and you don't want that. Then click the New card and type Atlas Dashboard Redesign. Click Away, click New again and type North Star Mobile App. Click Away, click New once more and type Lumen Brand System. Click Away. To click the Lumen. Click the empty type cell on the Atlas card and type Case Study, then press Enter. Click the empty type cell on the North Star card and type Mobile App, then press Enter. Click the empty type cell on the Lumen card and type Brand Identity, then press Enter. Now add a URL property called LiveLink. Click Add a Property again, type LiveLink, choose URL, and then paste the live project link into the cell. Don't put that link in the page body. The URL property keeps it clickable in the card's property bar. Click the Atlas card to open it. Inside the page, click Add Cover and choose Upload. Pick the project thumbnail from your files. Set the cover to the final deliverable image, not the logo, because logos crop badly in gallery cards. Now click below the title and type a slash, then pick Callout. Type Reduce Drop-Off by 23% after the redesign. Notion highlights that whole line so clients read it before anything else. Press Enter and type /Bulleted List, then type Role Lead Designer. Press Enter and type Timeline 8 weeks. Click the project's breadcrumb above the title to go back, and the card now shows that cover image. Click below the gallery and type /Divider, then press Enter. Type /Heading, pick Heading 2, and type Contact. Press Enter and type Email Maya@example.com. Now click Share in the top right. In the Share menu, turn on Share to Web. Notion flips the switch and generates a public link. Click Show Link Options. Turn off Allow Duplicate as Template. Leave editing and comments off too. If you want search engines to list the page, turn on Search Engine Indexing. I leave that on for a portfolio. Now click Copy Web Link. Paste that link into a new browser tab and press Enter. You will see the page the way a client sees it, without any Notion editing tools. Back in Notion, let's make a filtered view. Click Filter at the top of the gallery, choose Type, and pick Case Study. The gallery shrinks to just the Atlas card. That view is great when one client only wants one type of work. Click Filter again and turn the filter off. When you add new work later, make sure you click New inside the gallery, not New Page in the sidebar. The sidebar route creates a regular page outside the portfolio, and it will not get the type and live link properties. I'll hover over the New button here so you can see where it lives, then it goes back to your regular page. If this got your Notion portfolio online, give the video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.